Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Intro Cap 2 Annual Report. We go to the instruction file. So assignment title is Excel Introductory Capstone Annual Report. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses is accounting, math, stat, finance, economics and other courses. So we can move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is open Excel file student Excel intro cap to annual report. Excel has downloaded this project. Go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel file. We can move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is on a net cell calculate the total in the range F4 to F8 and B9 to F9. Apply the total cell style to the range B9 to F9. On the net cell worksheet, go to the Excel worksheet and go to the net cell worksheet. Calculate the total range F4 to F8. Copy the range and paste the range. Calculate the total range F4 to F8. Type is equal to and type the sum function. 4 quarters is taxes. Press enter button. Copy the formula F4 to F8. And next is a B9 to F9. Copy the range and paste the range. Press enter button and type is equal to type the sum function and select the ranges B4 to B8. Close bracket. Press enter button. Copy the function B9 to F9. Apply the total cell style in the range B9 to F9. Copy the range and paste the range. Apply the total cell style in the range B9 to F9. Go to the home tab. Go to the style group. Click a cell style and apply the total cell style. Apply the total cell style. So question number 2 is complete. We can move to the next question, which is question number 3. So question number 3 is using the absolute cell reference necessary in a cell G4, contrast formula calculate the percentage that the taxes total is the total cell and percentage and apply the percentage, fill the formula down through in G5 to G8. Insert the formula in the cell G4. Select the cell G4 and construct a formula, calculate the percentage, taxes, total and total sale. Type is equal to and select the taxes total divided by total sale. Press F4 button, absolute cell reference, press the enter button. Apply the percentage style. Go to the home tab and click the number group. Click percentage style and fill the formula down through G5 to G8. Copy the formula G5 to G8. So question number 3 is complete. We can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is in the range H4 to H8, insert the line sparkline to represent trend each state across the 4 quarters. Do not include the total. Add a marker and then first row, apply the first sparkline style. Copy the range H4 to H8 and paste the range. Press enter button and insert the sparkline to represent the trend state in the across the 4 quarters. Do not include the total quarter. Go to the insert tab and insert the line sparkline. Click line sparkline and data range is data range is 4 quarters. Do not include the total quarter and location range is H4 to H8. And a marker, then a first row, apply the first sparkline. Select the sparkline, click a sparkline style and click a marker. Apply the first sparkline style. Question number 4 is complete. We can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is select the range A3 to E8, copy the range and paste the range, press enter button and then using the recommended chart command to suggested appreciate chart, click the first cluster column chart that uses the state name, category axis. Insert the first cluster column chart. Go to the insert tab and recommended chart. Click a first cluster column chart. Click OK. Align the upper left corner chart inside the upper left corner of a cell A11 and resize the chart corner selected inside H24. Apply the chart style 6. Move the chart and paste the chart as A11 and then size the chart corner slightly in a cell H24. H column and H24. Apply the chart style 6. Go to the chart design and apply the chart style 6. As the chart title is a quarterly net sale by state. Copy the chart title and paste the chart title. So question number 5 is complete. We can move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is to show the present person that each the state contribute the total set. Select the non-just range, represent the state name and state total. Insert the 3D pie chart and move the chart as new sheet. Name the sheet name is a net sale chart. Insert the 3D pie chart. Select the name and select the ranges total. Insert the 3D pie chart. Go to the insert tab and click a chart group. Click a pie chart and insert the 3D pie chart. Name the sheet is a net sale chart. Copy the sheet name and move the chart. Right click, click a move chart and click a new chart sheet. New chart sheet name is a net sale chart. Click OK. So question number 6 is a complete. We can move to the question number 7. Question number 7 is a change the chart title annual net sale by state and then change the chart title font size 32. Remove the legend from the chart and then add the data label. Display the category name and percentage position in the center. Change the chart title annual net sale by state. Copy the chart title and paste the chart title. And then change the chart title font size is 32. Go to the home tab and font size is 32. Remove the legend from a chart, then add the data label, display only category name and percentage position in the center. Chart element and remove the legend. Click a data label, click a more option. Remove the legend and that data label. Display only category name, percentage and position in the center. Category name, percentage and position in the center. Label position in the center. Change the data label font size is 14. And apply the bold and italic. The bold and italic. Change the font color white background 1. Go to the font color and white background 1 font color. Question number 7 is a complete. We can move to the question number 8. Question number 8 is a select the entire pie and display the 3D format data series from the 3D format gallery. Modify the 3D option by changing the top bevel and bottom bevel. The first bevel option, the first row. Set all our width and height boxes 256 and then change the material for standard type metal. Go to the format data series and apply effect and select the 3D format. 3D format option by the changing top bevel and bottom bevel is the first bevel. First row, set the all width is 256. First bevel and width and height is 256. Height is 256 and bottom bevel is the first bevel. Click around bevel and width and height is 256. Width and height 256 and change the material for standard type metal. Go to the material and standard is a metal. Apply the metal. So question number 8 is complete. We can move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is insert a custom footer with the file name in the left section and then save your workbook. Insert a custom footer. Go to the page layout tab. Go to the page layout tab and page setup group and click header and footer and create a custom footer. Custom footer file name with the left section, center section and right section. So left section is the file name. Click OK and again OK. So question number 9 is complete. We can move to the question number 10. Question number 10 is on the Portland inventory sheet in the cell B5 enter the function that will display the average retail price. In the cell B6 enter the function that will display the median retail price. In the cell B7 enter the function that will calculate the lowest retail price. On the Portland inventory worksheet, go to the Portland inventory worksheet. In the cell B5, enter a function that will display the average retail price. In the cell B5, B5 is selected cell. Enter the function will display the average retail price. Type is equal to and type the average function and range is retail price. Close bracket, press enter button. Next is in a cell B6 enter the function display the median retail price. Type is equal to type the median function and number 1 is the median function, then retail price. Range is retail price. Close bracket, press enter button. Next is in a cell B7 enter a function that will calculate the lowest retail price. Go to the cell as B7, type is equal to and insert the function is calculate the lowest retail price. Type the minimum function and retail price. Close bracket, press enter button. Next is in a cell B8 enter a function that will calculate the highest retail price. Format the B5 to B8 in the accounting number format. In a cell B8, type is equal to and type the max function and retail price, close bracket, press enter button. Format the range B5 to B8 with the accounting number format. Copy the range and paste the, go to the account, apply the accounting number format, go to the home tab, apply the accounting number format. So question number 10 is a complete. We can move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is on the Portland inventory worksheet. In a cell G14, enter the if function to determine item to be ordered. If the quantity in a stock less than 50, then the cell should display the order. If not, then the cell should click OK. Copy the function down through cell G19. Insert the if function in a cell G14. Selected cell is G14 and insert the if function. Type is equal to and type the if function. Open the if function dialog box and if function determine item to be ordered. If the quantity stock less than 50, then the cell should display the order. If not, cell is should display OK and copy the function down cell G19. Quantity stock A14 less than 50 and value of true is the order and OK. Value if false is OK. Click OK. And copy the function down through cell G19. Question number 11 is a complete. We can move to the question number 12. Format the range A30 to G19 as the table with the header and then apply the till table style 13. Copy the range A30 to G19 and table with the header. Go to the insert tab, click a table and click OK. Table with the header and then apply the till table style 30. Go to the table style and till table style. Apply the till table style 13. If the style is not available, choose the another style. Filter the table on the support column, display the only hiking type. Go to the support column and click a filter, click a select and display the only hiking. Select all, click OK. And display the Totoro table sum of the quantity stock, hiking item and type the result B11. Display the Totoro, go to the table design and click a Totoro and then sum the quantity stock hiking item. Quantity stock, click a sum. Quantity stock in a 194 and type the result is cell B11. Go to the cell B11 and type the 194. Press enter button. Remove the total row from the table and clear the filter support column. Click table design. Go to the table design and remove the total row. Clear the filter from support column. Clear filter from support. So question number 12 is a complete. We can move to the question number 13. Question number 13 in a cell B10, insert the counting function to count the number of hiking item in a support column. In a cell B10, selected cell is B10 and insert the counting function, count the number. Type is equal to and type the counting function. Open the counting function and count the number of hiking item in the support column. Criteria is a hiking and range is a support column. Click OK. So question number 13 is a complete. We can move to the question number 14. So question number 14 is add a gradient fill blue data bar in the range A40 to A19. Add the conditional formatting to the range G40 to G19. The cell with the text that contain word order or formatted bold and italic. Sort the table by item hash smallest to largest. Copy the range A40 to A19 and paste the value. Add a gradient fill blue data bar. Add the gradient fill blue data bar. Gradient fill blue data bar. Go to the conditional formatting. Gradient fill blue data bar. Add the conditional formatting to the range G40 to G19. Copy the range and paste the range. Press enter button. Add a conditional formatting to the range cell style, cell with the text that contain word order. Go to the conditional formatting, highlight cell and text that contain and type the order formatted with the bold and italic. Type order. Go to the custom format and bold and italic. Click OK and again OK. And sort the table by item hash smallest to largest. Smallest to largest item hash. Question number 14 is a complete. We can move to the question number 15. Question number 15 is display the inventory summary worksheet. Inventory summary worksheet. In a cell B4, enter a formula that reference cell B4, the Portland inventory worksheet, so that the Portland total item in a stock display the cell B4. In a cell B5, enter a formula that reference cell is B5 inventory sheet, so the Portland average price display the cell B5, B6, B7, B8, the median price, lowest price, highest price, and Portland inventory. Type Go to the inventory summary worksheet and select the Portland. Total item in stock, type is equal to, and go to the Portland and select the total item in stock. Click OK, press enter button, type is equal to, and go to the Portland worksheet and select the average price B5, press enter button, type is equal to, and go to the Portland worksheet and click the median B6, press enter button, and again type is equal to, and type go to the Portland inventory worksheet, click the lowest price, press F enter button, type is equal to, and go to the Portland inventory worksheet, click the highest price, press enter button. So question number 15 is complete. We can move to the question number 16. Question number 16 is in a cell C4, enter a formula that reference cell B4 Austrian inventory sheet so that the Austrian total item stock display in a cell C4, C5, C6, C7 and C8. So enter the similar formula reference average price, median price, lowest price and highest price Austrian inventory worksheet. Be sure the B5 to C8 accounting number format. Go to the cell C4 and enter the reference formula is the Austrian worksheet, type is equal to, and go to the Austrian inventory worksheet, total item in stock, press enter button, type is equal to, and go to the Austrian worksheet and click the average price, select the cell is B5, press enter button, type is equal to, go to the Austrian worksheet and click a median, press enter button, type is equal to, and go to the Austrian worksheet, click a lowest price, press enter button, type is equal to, and go to the Austrian inventory and click the B8 highest price, press enter button. Be sure the range B5 to C8 formatted with the accounting number format. Copy the range B5 to C8, apply the accounting number format, go to the home tab and number group, click accounting number format. So question number 16 is complete. We can move to the question number 17. Question number 17 is on the annual expenses sheet, construct a formula to calculate the total by quarter in the range B10 to E10 and annual total in the range F5 to F10. Apply the total sales time to the total by quarter B10 to F10 and then center the column heading B4 to G4. Apply the heading for sales time if necessary in the range F6 to F9, start 0 decimal places. Copy the range B10 to E10. Go to the annual expenses worksheet. Paste the value B10 to F10, sorry E10, and total by quarter, calculate the total by quarter B10 to F10. Type is equal to and type the sum function. Press enter and B10 to E10. Copy the formula B10 to E10 and next is the F5 to F10. Annual total, type is equal to and type the sum function. quarter 1 to 4, press enter, copy the formula F5 to F10, and apply the total cell style B10 to F10, apply the total cell style, go to the home tab and go to the cell style and click on total cell style, and center the column heading B4 to G4 and apply the heading 4 cell style, and heading 4 cells, center the column and apply the heading 4 cell style, center the column and apply the heading 4 cell style, go to the cell style and heading 4 cell style, apply the heading 4 cell style. If a necessary, format the range F9 to F6 to F9, copy the range and paste the range, apply the comma style 0 decimal places, go to the cell style, apply the comma style and 0 decimal places. So question number 17 is a complete. We can move to the question number 18. Question number 18 is using the absolute cell reference as a necessary in a cell G5, construct a formula to calculate the percentage of total by dividing the sale expenses annual total by quarter. Fill the formula down through the range G6 to G9. Using the absolute cell reference in a cell G5, construct the formula calculate percentage of total dividing sale by expenses and annual total. Go to the G5, cell selected, type is equal to and type the annual total and type divided by total by quarter. Press F4 button, press enter and fill the formula down through G6 to G9. So question number 18 is complete. We can move to the question number 19. Question number 9 is using the data in the non-adjustment range A4 to E4 and A10 to E10, insert the line with the marker chart. Position the upper left corner of the chart slightly inside the upper left corner of cell A12. Copy the range A4 to E4. And next range is the A10 to E10. Insert the line with the marker chart. Insert all chart, click a line and insert a line with the marker chart, click OK and position the upper left corner chart slightly inside the upper left corner in the cell A12. Move the chart and paste the chart as A12. Change the height of chart 1.75 and the width of chart is 8 inches. Go to the format tab. Shape height is 1.7. 75 and width is 8 inches. Press enter. So question number 19 is a complete. We can move to the question number 20. Question number 20 is apply the chart style 3. Apply the chart style is a 3. Go to the chart design and chart style is a 3 and chart title is a direct expenses. Copy the chart title and paste the chart title as direct expenses. Added the vertical value axis, so the minimum is a value vertical value axis. Right click a format axis and minimum value is a paste the value, press enter. So question number 20 is a complete. We can move to the question number 21. Use a format pointer to copy the formatting from a cell A2 to A20. Go to the cell A2, use the format pointer A2 to A20, in the cell B23 is a B23, enter a formula that a reference value F10. Copy the value of F10 and B23. Copy the value and select the cell as B23 value and number formatting. Press enter. So question number 21 is a complete. Go to the question number 22. Using the absolute cell reference as an accessory in a cell C23, construct a formula to calculate the projected expenses for 2021. After the forecasted increase in a cell B21, apply the fill formula through F23. Go to the cell C23, press enter and for cost B21 and fill the formula through F23. Formula F23. So question number 22 is a complete. We can move to the question number 23. Display the sale rep sheet by using the flash fill. Deleting column as an accessory, place a last name column A and the first name column B. Within column both is the 100 pixel and then merge and center the cell reps. Copy the cell reps A2, B is the margin center, and both width and column is 100 pixel. Hundred pixel, and first name is column B, last name is column A, and first name is column B. Last name is a column A, and first name is column B. Press enter. So margin center, cell and wraps are ready. Margin center. Across the two column, apply the heading one cell style. Go to the home tab and cell style group. Click heading one cell style. Apply the heading one cell style. Question number 23 is complete. We can move to the question number 24. Question number 24 is with any cheat except chart sheet is active, group the worksheet, change the orientation as a landscape. Chart sheet is active. Click right click and select the all sheet, group the worksheet, and change the orientation landscape. Page layout tab, click landscape and center the worksheet horizontally. Go to the page layout tab, page setup group, click margin, click center horizontally worksheet, and insert the footer left section with the file name. Header and footer, stub footer, left section the file name, left section the file name. Click OK and again OK. So assignment is complete.